Gold IRAs are a popular topic these days, as more and more Americans are feeling the impact of inflation. If you're wondering what it takes to start a Gold IRA rollover, you've landed at the right place. In this short presentation, we'll walk you through the exact steps to completing a rollover into a precious metals retirement account that allows you to purchase gold and silver. It's actually easier than you may think. Most Gold IRA companies have a simple three-step process for completing your Gold IRA rollover. While it may seem overwhelming at first, most trusted custodians can walk you through the steps and make it fairly easy and hassle-free. The first thing you will need to do is choose a trusted Gold IRA company. Goldco is currently our top choice. Once you have your company picked, you can work with them to begin the rollover process. A good Gold IRA company should be able to walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Once that is complete, the final step is to work with your trusted dealer to begin purchasing gold and silver with your IRA funds. They will store your precious metals for you until you're ready to cash them out for retirement. If you're looking for a top-rated Gold IRA company, we have several that we recommend, but our first choice is Goldco. They have been in business for more than 15 years. They boast an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, as well as a AAA rating from the Business Consumer Alliance. At last check, they were offering up to $10,000 in free silver on qualified orders, as well as a free Gold IRA kit to help get you started. You can learn more by visiting freegoldirakit.org or simply click the link in the description below to get your free gold investing kit. Let's quickly recap. Starting a Gold IRA rollover is easy. It's usually a simple three-step process with most trusted dealers. While there are many great companies for you to consider, our first choice is Goldco. You can learn more and get a free Gold IRA kit by clicking the link in the description below, or by visiting freegoldirakit.org. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your gold investment journey.